Okay, so we're back in 3Dequalizer. Our track's done. We don't need to do anything more. You can kind of go forward with this, but we want to go to the next step for a more production sort of level of Matchmove. So the first thing that we need to do is import geometry to our 3D scene. So if we go to the top left here, we've got point groups, and we've got 3D models. And if you right click on 3D models, add new, and import OBJ file. So now you go navigate to our scan that we just exported. So make sure that you do import the one that we've done the layout on. I mean, I'll just put this in the description as well so you can have that as well. And click OK. So now you can see it's imported in. And if we look at our camera that we've done, it's all working. We can see that it's all kind of a bit wacky. So we'll go through surveying next. So let's prep our 3D model as well. That makes it a little bit easier. So we can actually add textures to our model as well. So we can go to our UV map and we can select the demo scan JPEG. And all we need to do is change it to show polygons. And now if we press F6, we can see that we've now got our scan in there. So yeah, that's pretty much it. And we'll move on to the next one, surveying and doing lineups. Thanks for watching.